Century Village. So there's a game inside, huh? I wonder which teams are playing. Kitten. We have cats and we have ducks. Tonight we are sitting and smoking shisha, and guess what? It is 33 degrees, which is considered as a normal and cool evening. Actually, it is not that cold.
It's not cold.
Not that
it's
hot.
total hot.
I would say it's perfectly the average. This is one of the.
Well, it's perfectly fine at this time because usually the hot weather is supposed to be 41, 42. So being 33
So
is
I
super
should consider
normal.
myself that
Lucky.
I'm lucky to get out
Yes. In
tonight.
This weather. Yes.
Yeah. Besides, we are sitting next to AC, so. That's because we are sitting right next to AC. And there's one more here. And a shisha. That's how you spend your night in Dubai in summertime. So which club you said we are going again?
We are going to Lockstock.
Lockstock.
Yeah.
And what is the specialty of this club? You said it's one of the most.
No, it's actually in the most expensive hotel in the worldwide. Rexos Hotel, which everybody knows it.
Everybody knows that, so okay, cool. That means basically if it is the most expensive hotel in the world, most definitely it could be one of the most expensive club in the world.
Oh no, that is more expensive than that, definitely. But
Alright.
let's see.
Let's see. Experiences. This city is full of experiences. Let's check out the nightlife in Dubai now.
Do you know that this is Dubai Marina? In this side it's called Dubai Marina. In the right side it's called the Jumeirah Beach Residence, JBR. So it's
Alright.
actually two most luxurious places in left and right. And in the middle they have the tram. If you see in your left hand, yeah, that's the tram. And this tram is only mostly in this area. It doesn't go anywhere far. It's only in Jumeirah side. One of the most luxury area in UAE when it comes to buildings and everything.
Oh, look at all these buildings goes all the way up.
Yeah.
Are now one of the fanciest street in Dubai. Well, there might not be too many people on the street because of it is in the middle of June. However, we will be meeting a lot of people inside. So, yeah. I would like to see some fancy cars too. Well, so far that's what we have here. I'm not gonna tell you that we are driving Range Rover, but yeah.
We have the best beautiful car.
We have the best car. Why the traffic just doesn't go? What is blocking us?
It's nothing. It's just only people love to be in this road.
Alright, let's go.
Mr. Super Psycho, super cool to the rock. Don't keep us gangster, I move like a vodka. I am the king, you're the queen of my castle. Give you everything if I got to. Yeah, I know you love me like French toast. Pacific coast, moving in the drop coast. You put your makeup on, I gotta drive slow. I know it's like I'm living, left you heartbroken also. I know no matter, I made it no